Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for Lemonade Renters Insurance, step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open Google and search for Lemonade Renters Insurance. Click on the official link, then click on Check Our Prices. It will ask if you already have an account. Click on Nope and then click Next. Now, enter your first name, last name and address. After that, click on Looks Good. Next, click Yes and choose your home type. Select the coverages or add-ons that are necessary for you. Then, enter your email address and date of birth and click Next. Finally, click on See My Quote. Here, you can view all the details of your renter's insurance quote. And that's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching.